Hi, this is Darren, the Smartsheet Guru. During the most recent Smartsheet Guru Elite session, we were looking at some time calculations, and part of that was how do we sort dates and times. Now, one thing you may immediately think to do is to sort rows and sort it by the date and then the time. But the problem is, while the dates are sorted correctly, the start time is not. Let's look at July 1st. It's sorting by the first number in the time. So 10 a.m., 11:30, 8 o'clock. There are a couple ways we can handle this very easily to ensure these dates and times sort properly. First, let's go ahead and I'm going to expose a hidden column that I have, 24-hour time. And this is a column formula that takes the start time at the row and puts it into 24-hour format by adding the comma 1 here. Now, since this is in 24-hour format, we can sort by start date and then sort by 24-hour time. This will sort the dates and times properly because we're ensuring a consistent format for the 24-hour time. Another option we have is to put the date and time into the same column. And we look at this column formula. It is concatenating the start date, a space, and a 24-hour time. And this can be used as well. Let's go ahead and see how that works. I'm going to sort the rows. I'm going to sort just on date time. And since I have SS features installed, I can check sort automatically. And whenever I add in a new date and time, it will sort properly. Let's say June 30th, 25 at, I sorted because the invalid operation. Sort, let's say 10 o'clock a.m. And there we go, 6:30, 10 o'clock a.m. Let's go ahead, let's do 6:30, 25, and we'll put a time of, say, 5 o'clock p.m. There we go. It sorts 6:30, 10 o'clock, 6:30, 5 o'clock. So those are a couple ways that you can sort dates and times in Smartsheet. You could do the same with a report, of course, instead of the sheet.